Hey guys, and here today I'll be showing you how to make a loading screen on Roblox Studio. So let's begin. So I made a kit for you guys and insert it into the game by going on to, well, first of all, go on to View, Properties, Explorer, then go on to Toolbox, and then go on to My Models. But you're going to have to download it, link in the description below on Roblox. So after when you've done that, insert it here, insert it into the game, and go on to View again, go on to Properties Explorer, and then as you can see, when you insert it, you can see it says replicated first, then ungroup. So this basically means put this into replicated first and then ungroup. So I took a little break and I'm back. I'm gonna start uploading again, don't worry. So anyways, remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and yeah, so let's carry on. So let's insert replicated first into replicated first, of course, then ungroup it. Then we've got local script. Do not disable this, otherwise it won't work. Inside our local script, we've got loading screen. Replicated first is basically your own player, if that makes sense. Then in here, so basically, you're gonna be like, why not? Why is it not in starter GUI? The reason why it's not in starter GUI is because everyone will see the loading screen. So every player, so for instance, if somebody joins and you're already playing, you'll see the loading screen as well. So replicated first is basically your own player, and you'll see it only when you join, and when other people join, they'll see it too. So make sure it's in loading screen. Well, loading screen and, well, I can't speak today. So put loading screen into local script if it's not already. And make sure you put it in replicated first. Then, inside here, we've got a frame and our text table. Just for this, we'll put it into starter GUI so we can see what this is. So, this is our little frame. So, inside here, we've got our frame, then we've got a text table. You can change it to whatever you want. So, for instance, you can change the text to loading. You can change the font. It doesn't really matter. Well, it's your opinion how you want it to look. You could change it to yellow. Well, no, let's change it to a red or an orangish. So you can change it to anything really. So then make sure you put loading the screen back into local script, and I'll explain what the script means. So this is Alvin Blox's script. Credit to him for the script. So I basically changed it a little bit. So this is gonna remove the default loading screen, this top line. So basically when you join in the game, then you know that little loading screen that Roblox made for you, it's gonna delete it. This is why we've got this for 10 seconds, and I'll explain what this means. So this is gonna go into your player GUI, and it's gonna set the top bar transparency to 0. Local GUI equals script.loading screen clone, so it's gonna clone itself. Then it's gonna wait 10 seconds. So this is basically how long your loading screen is on the screen. So for instance, if it's for 5 seconds, then it will be on the screen for 5 seconds. Then there's this thing called tween position and tween service. So it's gonna how do I explain this? So it's just gonna go smoothly down the screen, not like it's gonna set transparency to 1 where it just disappears automatically. It's actually gonna go somewhere and disappear, and then it's gonna destroy itself. So let's just click play real quick, and let's see how this looks. So like I said, I've made my own loading screen using the kit that I made. So I changed it, and boom, like that, and we've got a game. So yeah, that's how to make a loading screen, and yeah, goodbye everybody.